5 high short interest stocks that could be squeezing in the short term. That's exactly what we're going to break down in this video, guys. Happy Saturday, by the way. Hope you guys are having a great Saturday so far. Here in New Jersey, man, it's about 3 p.m. on the East Coast right now, and it still feels like summer. What the heck's going on? It's like 75 degrees outside, sunny, and I'm wearing this hoodie. Me being an idiot, sweating my butt off here, guys, making this video. But yeah, happy Saturday. Hope you're all doing well. Again, 5 high short interest stocks. That's what we're talking about today. And full disclosure, I own 0 of these stocks as of this video. And if you're going to trade these stocks, make sure to do it with an amount of money you're willing to lose. Because yes, they could squeeze. There could be a lot of upside. But of course, with stocks like this, they're also very risky. So guys, hit that like button, make sure to subscribe, and join the email list. It's free, link down below in the description box if you guys want me to send you every Monday my top 3 stocks right to your email. Again, it's free, linked right down below. And with that being said, cheers, let's dive right into the video. So stock number 1 is ticker symbol ENVX. Let me pull it up and show you guys here. Also known as Enovix Corp or Enovix Corp. Either way, this stock has been catching fire as of late after getting destroyed for a good couple of months from $18 down to about $7 per share. We sold off a whopping 60%. There you go, guys. That's kind of how these stocks move, right? But now, as of late, we've been breaking out. We've made some key higher lows here on the 4-hour chart starting in, it looks like, the beginning of September. That's where we first started to bottom out here. So we hit 760. We held another higher low at about 830, another one at 850, and boom. Ever since the start of this month of October, this thing has been taking off, right? Now we have a golden cross, which signals more upside potentially, not guaranteed. But we also have a push over the moving averages here, and on Friday alone, it went up over 9%. So ENVX, guys, is directionally bullish right now, breaking out of the moving averages here, and the short interest, are you ready for this, guys, is 35.8%, which is like, holy smokes, right? So clearly, we're now pushing to this resistance right here. If I actually extend this to the right, you'll be able to see $14 roughly, $14.50. That was the high from the end of February, also from early mid-June, right? So that could be where it goes in the short term. So from where we are now, $12.75, $12.80, maybe up to about $14.50 in the short term. Then if that were to break, guys, it could really start moving towards the low mid-18s, dare I say higher. This gap right here could definitely fill. Not guaranteed, obviously. Again, these are risky, but if this really catches fire here, guys, you know, up towards 18.50 is where we could be going. So that's stock number 1, ENVX. Number 2 is IGMS. Let me pull it up here, which is IGM Biosciences. This on Friday also did very well, up around 8%, looking pretty good here on the charts. You know, clearly holding an uptrend, holding a higher low above $13. We bounced off the 180 SMA here, and now we're about $7 off the highs, right? We hit $22.50 back in the middle of September, so about a month ago, right? So this looks good. It looks like momentum's building up again for the bulls, and it kind of looks like a continuation play here. And again, it's high short interest, 35%, similar to the previous stock, short interest-wise. So I'm looking to see, guys, if I pull this 20-day up, let's see if we break out of this downtrend on the 20-day. Do you guys see this trend line that I just drew out? We've been making lower highs for a couple of weeks here. If we're able to get out of this point, break this trend, that's when things could get very interesting to the upside, right? That's where we could really start breaking out. So I'm going to set my alert for now at $15 and let's say 50 cents for now. Let me set my alert right there. Boom. Beautiful. Mark is at or above. So that is IGMS, just waiting simply for the confirmation here on the 1 hour chart. Now, stock number 3 is ticker symbol FTEL, also known as Fattel Corp. This one, funny enough, also went up a lot on Friday, over 9% in the green, and it seems like they're reporting earnings here on, when is this, the 16th? So this upcoming week, actually, FTEL is reporting earnings, so maybe that could be the catalyst that pushes this thing higher. We'll see. This one has 33.6% short interest. And you guys can see clearly we're starting to gap out of these moving averages on the 4-hour chart. And we're still early in the breakout here, guys, which I'm thinking if we start pushing over 18, which if I draw this trend line out and zoom in, you guys can see 18, 1850. That's been resistance for about 2 months, other than the one time we broke out to $25, right? So if we break out of 18 again, 1850, we could start pushing towards the mid-20s again, which, again, we hit that point in the middle of September, also in the early days of August. So FTEL looks really interesting here on the charts, guys. I'm going to set my alert for now at $18.15. Let me do that. Mark is at or above $18.50. Beautiful. We'll see if that breaks. We might fill the gap up again to the mid-20s on this one. So before we go over the 4th stock, don't forget to get your free stocks from Moomoo, up to 15 stocks with at least a $100 deposit. And for now, your uninvested cash, get this, guys, will earn up to 8.1% APY. All you have to do is use that link down below, excuse me, guys, or go to stocks4fast.com/Moomoo. Again, open up your account and fund it with at least $100, and boom, you get up to 15 stocks, and your uninvested cash on the platform will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, this deal is insane. It's a no-brainer, so check it out. Link down below, pinned in the comments section as well. Now, stock number 4 is ticker symbol LUNR, also known as Intuitive Machines Incorporated. And this looks like a continuation play, very similar to IGMS, right? You guys saw IGMS, stock number 2. The chart looks very similar on LUNR, right? You can see right here, we are clearly bouncing off of a pullback, right? We hit almost $10, pulled down to about $6.75. Now we're pushing over the mid-7s. So this looks good. Buyers are coming in right above the 180 SMA. We're holding a higher low. Here on the 20-day chart, it looks like we're at the top of this downwards trend line right now, which if that breaks, boom, we could end up seeing a full-on breakout. So for the confirmation on LUNR, I'm waiting to see if we crack over $8. Let me set my alert now at $8. Might as well do another one at $8.50. There we go. Beautiful. So we'll see if this gains momentum out of this trend line. If so, at 33% short interest, this could cause shorts to cover, maybe a bigger breakout overall. So that is LUNR. Now, the next one here is one that we've covered before on the channel, and it's actually already squeezing, but we're covering it because, hey, there could be a lot more juice left to squeeze in this trade. It's Upstart, ticker symbol UPST, which, man, this one's covered a lot of ground over the last couple of months. We went up a whopping 9% on Friday, and overall, since the beginning of August, this stock's up over 100%, and the short interest is 32% on Upstart. And we just recently, I think as of Friday, broke out of the highs from the end of August, early September, which, hey, that could signal more upside, here on the stock. We could get a blow-off top rally type deal on this stock. So UPST, although it is one of the more overbought ones on the list, I mean, it probably is the most overbought stock on this list today, I think it should still be on your watch list if you're looking for a more high-risk, short squeeze type of trade, because we're breaking out on the time frame here, the 4-hour, which it looks like we're pushing to a fresh high on the year. So the momentum here, potentially, not guaranteed, but potentially could continue. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, do all of that. We're almost at 40,000 subs, guys. And if you want to join the Patreon, shout out to everybody that's joined it recently. I appreciate you guys. Check out that link in the comment section in the description box, or go to stassrfs.com/Patreon. I have a Patreon portfolio that I've been building out, putting money every week, buying stocks, moving stocks around. You guys see all the moves I make in that portfolio, full transparency and how we're doing compared to the S&P, which, guys, this year so far we're crushing the S&P 500. There's also a Discord. I post my charts and ideas throughout the week on Patreon. Check it out again. Link down below. I'll see you guys on the inside. And with that being said, peace out.